Right, you may think this is a hanger, but no, it's a hairdryer. If I press this button, oh yeah, that's cool. Oh yeah, do my hair. You can go stylish, so if I want to do my hair like that, I can. Yeah, it's brilliant for loads of things. Trying to hit somebody with a gust of wind, you can just go like that. It's very noisy. Okay, that's quieter. Now because you've got settings, so I can draw my hair like this, it can be a pop tap. There can be all sorts with a hairdryer. Right. And if you want to know a good sort of tip, hairdryers are good for doing action movies. Look. Bang, bang, bang. See, they're good. Or if you want it to be more of a big fire sort of thing, like quick fire, then you can turn it actually on. There you go. Yeah, put a big piece on the end. Then it's a machine gun. Wouldn't that be more of a leaf dryer? But hey, and then you can go. You know, those you can do. And guess what? Even more. I can blow you. Unfortunately, it isn't a 4D camera, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Unfortunately, I know that hit the camera because the person holding the camera, her hair went like this. That's on foot. And it went like this, so I know it hit you. Unfortunately, it is not a 4D camera. Unfortunately, you probably don't have a 4D computer. If you do, then brilliant.
You done yet?
I'll plug you again if you ask me.
Well, I think you've said everything, haven't you?
Yeah, but I'll show you something. You might be amazed at this. Watch. Oh, if I turn that switch there, then bathroom dark. But if I shut the door again, then it's on. Okay, not really. I just poked my finger out, but I turn it off again. Bye-bye, and I'll hit you again with this thing. And cut.